Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Hi! Today we're doing an unboxing of the Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette. Yes! Using the law of attraction.
It's a vibe, it's a vibe, yeah, yeah, it's a vibe, it's a vibe, yeah, yeah, it's a vibe, it's a vibe, yeah, yeah, it's a vibe, it's a hop in the ride, no suicide, yeah, yeah, slow it down, dirty spray, yeah, yeah, yeah.
If you liked me, go ahead and smash that subscribe button.
You were meant tonight, yeah, don't wanna fight, ooh, that ain't the vibe.
I ordered this baby straight away when they posted that it was back in stock. I've been waiting for months now. I am here to unbox it in front of you guys. I am so excited. If this is something you're interested in, then keep on watching. Ah, so geeked. So today's outfit is inspired by no other than Jeffree Star. We all know he's a Gucci queen. So I got on my little Gucci belt. We got the Gucci pearls, we got a Gucci looking shirt, and yeah, so let's get started. Oh, I'm so excited. I've been waiting literally forever for this palette to come out. That iconic Jeffree Star's tape. Okay, ready? Oh. Okay. Alright, so here's what the box looks like. Okay, so here's the palette itself. It's wrapped in bubble wrap. Alright. So we get a very, very adorable postcard from Jeffree. The Liquid Frost advertisement, which actually looks really cute. Yeah, look at him doing his thing. Yes, I love you, boo. Okay, look at this. The tape says Blood Sugar on it. It's got the barcode. This is official. This palette retails for $52. After shipment and all that, I ended up paying $57 something. Oh, ooh, okay. Oh, look, I matched the palette. Look at that. Blood Sugar. It's got the class. Here's the ingredients are on the back. Okay, guys, this is what we've all been waiting for. Oh, I cannot believe I'm seeing this like in person. Like, I watched so many videos on it that Jeffree has made, and it just looks and feels even better in person. Okay, ready, guys? We're gonna undo the little clasps here, which is such a cute idea, and ready? Here are all of the shades. This palette is honestly beautiful. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Thank you, Jeffree. Thank you. A nice, beautiful mirror. It's on the inside. Ooh, exposed. You just saw my treadmill. And yeah, look at that. So cute. Honestly, the packaging, 10 out of 10, is beautiful. It's gorgeous. Now let's get into the swatches. I rolled up my sleeves really high, so hopefully I don't get any eyeshadow on this bougie on a budget outfit. First, we're going in with our first color, Glucose, which is a beautiful pure white. Oh my goodness. That was one swatch of the white. The next shade we're going in is called Sugarcane. Ooh, that's cute. After that, we have Cake Mix. Next we have the shade Ouch. Ooh, I love that. Next one is Donor. Ooh, look at that. That's gorgeous. Right now we're going into Intravenous. Okay, now we have Candy Fox, which is a nice soft pink. Alright, next up is Tongue Pop. When I was first buying this palette, I wanted to get it because of this specific color. It just looks like the perfect transition shade. Look at that. With my skin tone, that is an amazing transition shade, and it's really cute. Next in line, we have Sweetener. I don't know if you can tell, but this color has a duochrome. It's like pink and yellow. That's gorgeous. Alright, next color up is Cavity. Fun fact, I've never had a cavity before. I know, right? Ooh, I love that. Look how pigmented these are throughout the formula. It's very pigmented. Okay, next up we have O Positive, which is actually my blood type, and it looks like a grayish brown color. It actually kind of looks light purple now that I look at it. Light purpley gray, grayish brown. We have Root Canal, which looks like this beautiful royal purple. Oh, I'm so excited for this one. Oh. Okay, this is the color I am the most excited about. It is this reddish orange color called Prick. Now we have Cherry Soda, a darker red. Alright, up next we have Fresh Meat. I am loving these bottom row colors. But yes, this is what's next. Wow. Look at that. We have the color Blood Sugar, which is what the palette is named after. Next one up is Extraction. The colors feel very buttery and just overall very soft. Last but not least, we have the color Coma. Yes, there it is. Gorgeous. These are all the colors. Fair warning, these eyeshadows do stain, but I believe it is just because they're just so pigmented, it sticks. Alright, so I'm going to film a quick little look for you guys real quick, just to show you how the shadows perform on the eyes, and yeah. For my transition shade. It picks up a lot on the brush, so we're just going to tap it off like Jeffree does. Okay, and here we go. Okay, now we're going to be going into the color Prick. We're just going to go slightly underneath that transition color. in the color Candy Soda. Now we're going into Fresh Meat down here. Intravenous. To the shade Coma at the bottom. We're going in the color Donor. We're going to be taking Sweetener and going in our inner corner. Okay, now we're going back into Cherry Soda and going underneath my eyes. Okay, now I'm just gonna put a strip of liner so I can blend it in with my lashes. Alright guys, and that's the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you like Jeffree Star, give this a thumbs up. If you like my channel, go ahead and subscribe. And if you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and hit that bell notification. That way you get notified right away when I drop videos straight on the tube. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Mwah. We out, y'all.